I have another funny misconception for you today about the baby burping at the breast. People may tell you, you should never allow your baby to burp on the breast because the air from baby's mouth can go inside the breast and can cause it get all inflated like a balloon and swollen, and you'll have a problem on your breast. Or people may tell you the bacteria from baby's mouth during burping together with air will go inside the breast and cause infection there, so you may have an abscess and you'll need to do a surgery to remove it. Or people may go even further with that. Some people will tell you, if your baby burps on your breast, the air will travel through the milk ducts into your bloodstream and then to your heart and can kill you. Imagine the possibilities of human creativity. Actually, if your baby burps on your breast, which is very possible, and to most people it will happen, if your baby burps on your breast during breastfeeding, nothing will happen. Absolutely nothing. Because there is no mechanism to allow air from baby's mouth to travel back through the tip of the nipple into the breast. It just doesn't happen. So your baby is welcome to burp as much as he or she wants. And actually, many babies would do that because healthy, strong babies will burp spontaneously without anyone helping them. So check out the other video about burping that can simplify your life, because you will learn that for most babies, we do not need to burp them at all. There are only few special situations that I discuss in the second part of that video where your baby may benefit from extra help. In all other cases, babies can burp anytime, anywhere, without anyone helping them. And if it happened at the breast, that's absolutely fine and nothing bad will happen. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press like button and comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to press the bell button so you can receive notifications of my upcoming videos.